Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of Friday. Yes, Friday, Friday the 5th, 2021. Today it's actually March the 8th, Monday, but there is no extra Sudokus or additional in today's newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of Friday. Yes, Friday. And this one will be a number 2438. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I have already counted. This one has 26 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. I see here in this column a lot of numbers in a row in this column, yes, and one of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 3 boxes, so one box left for the 3 should be there. 1 2 3. The 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4 5 7. All right, remember this. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. Alright, 3. Then, yes. 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So one box left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6, there's 6 should be there. Alright. Now I cannot continue with the 6. How about those 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 8. We have a 2 and an 8 in this column, so no 2 and an 8 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 1. 4 and 1, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 2 boxes left in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the numbers? Let me see. 4 in this column. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And 3 goes there. Alright. So we have a 3 in this column. 3 in the third column, so in the column between. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3. No 3 there. 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. How about those 2 numbers in this big square for the number 7 and 5? We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 8. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Alright. So 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. So we have 3, 3 there. 3, 3. No, 3, 3. Okay. Okay. Let me see. 2, 2, 2, 2. 9. Let me scan. 2, 2. Yes, in this big square we have 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then. Let me see. Yeah, 1 and 3. Yes, we have a pair. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 could be here, could be there. Same story with the 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 and a 3 in the last row. So the other pair in the last row should be the number 6 and the 4. 6 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and the 4. So what is the other pair in this big square? These 2 numbers should be the numbers 7 and the 5. 7 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and the 5. Alright. This pair in this row, we have here 7 and the 5. This should be the 9 and the 6. Alright. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. Let me see. 8. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 1. We have an 8 and a 1 in this column. So no 8 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8 and a 1, 8 and a 1. Alright, so what is the other pair in this big square? 8 and a 1. We have here the numbers 5 and the 7. 5 and a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 4. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers were the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. And look, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be there. So the 7 and the 5 are left. We see there 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes in there. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row. First row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this row. The 2 in the third row. Yes. So the row between the only 2 places for the 2. Could be here, could be there. Alright. Yeah. 3 and 1, 8 and 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1, and this box should be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be a 7 anymore. This box should be a 7, and this box should be a 5. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. The other pair in this big square should be the 2 and the 9. The 2 and the 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. 8 and 4, 8 and 4. Can I fill this yet? No. 8 and 4. 8 and 4. Need to wait. 1 box left in the second row for the number 3. 3 is missing. Alright. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can't be 3 anymore. This box should be a 3. Alright. And this box should be a 1. Alright. 8 and a 1 we have here. Now we have a 1 there. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 1. And this box should be an 8. Alright. We have here 8 and a 4. Now we have an 8 there. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 4 goes there. Alright. Now we have 8 here. So this box cannot be an 8 anymore. 8 and a 6. This box should be an 8. And this box should be a 6. Alright. Now we have a 6 there. So this cannot be 6 anymore. This box should be a 6. And this box should be a 4. Alright. And the 4 are left. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. And the last 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this 2 Stars Sudoku. Do you think so? Think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. 2 puzzles left. The tectonic with 1 star and a binary puzzle. So I will see you later for these 2 Sudokus or puzzles. Thank you again. Bye bye for now.